Hi there and welcome to our video series on surviving with Git. In this episode, we will edit an old commit. More precisely, we will split a specific commit into two separate commits. Just like in the last couple of episodes, this is a case for Git's interactive rebase tool. Using interactive rebase in this way provides you with almost unlimited flexibility. We will, in a way, reopen an old commit, and we can then manipulate it any way we want. We can discard some changes or add new changes and split the original commit into as many new commits as we want. So let's take a look at our example scenario. And let's say we want to edit this change headlines commit here. As always, we need to pick the parent commit as the base commit for interactive rebase. In this case, it's head -1, -2, -3, -4. We can now start the interactive rebase on the command line by writing git rebase-i and providing the new base commit, in this case, head ~4. We can then mark the commit with the edit keyword and then save and close the editor window. Git has now stopped at this revision. But to get to its changes, we need to use git reset head ~1. Only now do we have the actual changes to work with. We can now process them however we like. We could add more changes or discard some of the existing changes, but for this example, let's just split the original commit into two separate commits. So we simply stage one of the files and commit it, and then stage the other one and also commit it in a separate commit. Finally, in order to finish and complete the rebase, we need to complete it with git rebase --continue. That's it. Let's look at the results. First, you'll notice that our original change headlines commit isn't here anymore. But instead, we've edited and replaced it with two new separate commits, just as we wanted to. Now, let's use the TowerGit client to do this. Just as a reminder, we want to edit that change headlines commit here. In Tower, we can simply right-click the commit and choose Edit from the menu. Tower now reopens that commit for us so that we can further edit it, including its changes. For our example, let's just stage one of the changes and commit it, and then also stage and commit the rest, but in another separate commit. Finally, we have to finish the interactive rebase session by using the Continue button. And voila, that's all we have to do. Let's look at the results. You'll notice that our original change headlines commit isn't here anymore, but instead we have edited and replaced it with two new separate commits, just as we wanted to. Editing commits in Tower provides you with a lot of power and possibilities, but in a very easy-to-use interface. Tower helps more than 100,000 developers be more productive with Git. Download it now at gittower.com and give it a try. 30 days for free.